Hello, Techies! Welcome back again sa aking Li's Tech Channel. So, nandito naman ulit sa Techies for another video. By the way, Christmas is coming na nga. Ilang araw na lang. Advance Merry Christmas, everyone! May mga nabili na ba kayong gifts dyan? Ayan. In this video, guys, is i-feature nga natin etong panibagong mid-range phone ng Nothing, as I promised sa aking social media na bibigyan ko kayo ng feature video about this device. And baka magustuhan nyo rin to is pangdagdag nyo na rin sa pang-gift nyo this Christmas sa inyong mga loved ones. So, eto na nga guys, ang bagong mid-range phone ng Nothing, which is the Nothing Phone 3A Lite. By the way, sa mga naghahanap naman dyan ng mga earphones na pwede nyo i-gift sa Christmas this time, meron ako share sa inyo dito mga earphones from Jabra. Wow, I've been a fan of Jabra, guys, ever since. Naalala ko nyo, nag-tutor pa ako ng mga Taiwanese students before. Yung gamit kong headset is Jabra. Ayan, ito yung kanilang Jabra naman na headset. Ayan, ang ganda rin nito, guys. Easy plug-in and ready to go na talaga din ito, guys. Noise cancelling mic na rin ito. And yan, rotatable boom arm na rin po siya. So, yan yung nagustuhan ko dito, guys. And napaka-affordable lang nito. 2,150 yung SRP. At mas pinamura pa siya kasi now, 1,595 na lang po ang device na to. Meron silang Jabra Elite 4 at meron silang Jabra Elite 10. This Jabra Lite 4, may up to 7 hours per charge na siya. 28 hours naman with the case. Price niya ngayon is from 5,675. Bibili nyo na po ito ng 3,899. Napakamura na po. Jabra Elite 10 naman, ito yung Jabra's most advanced earbuds naman. May 6 built-in MEMS microphones na siya and up to 8 hours per charge na rin. And no 36 hours with the case. SRP nito, guys, is 13,995. Bibili nyo na lang po siya ng 10,999. Perfect talaga to, guys, pang gift this Christmas kasi napaka-aesthetic at napakaganda ng quality nito. Tested ko na to at sobrang ganda at comfy din niya sa ear at ang gaan lang din. Kung gusto nyo bumili, guys, ayan, check nyo lang itong YouTube shopping feature dito sa gilid. Diyan na yan pa, hindi na kayong mahirapan. Ayun na, guys, ito na nga ang Nothing Phone 3A Lite. As you can see, this is the box. So, ito na nga, guys, yung unit. Ayan. Look at that, guys. Color white po yung ating Nothing Phone 3A Lite. Pero ayan, makikita nyo pa rin po yung kanyang back design as usual, no, na signature design talaga ng mga Nothing phones. Ayan. And of course, meron tayong tatlong cameras. Diba? Parang naka-iPhone ka na rin. Of course, meron siyang special button din dito sa gilid. Power button. And of course, volume rockers naman dito sa left side. Sa baba, nakalagay ang kanyang speaker. Ayan, charging port. And of course, ang kanyang SIM card tray. And in fairness, napaka-simple lang po ng Nothing Phone 3A Lite nila ngayon. Ayan, ito na po yung kanyang display. So, nothing new naman sa display niya. Almost the same lang talaga sa mga Nothing phones so far. Bezels niya maninipis na rin. Makita niyo rin yung patrol camera na rin siya. As you can see, screen is huge. Meron siyang 6.77-inch screen display, guys. And of course, it's full HD plus AMOLED screen panel. Kaya maganda yung screen panel niya. So, yun yung binayaran nyo sa kanyang amount na 15,000 plus. The screen quality, the design, the system. Powered na po siya ng MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Pro 5G. So yes, good news, 5G na siya. And bad news is Dimensity pa rin. But at least 7300 Pro naman din siya. And then, of course, kung makikita niyo dyan, malaki-laki na rin yung storage niya. Yung options is meron tayong 256, meron din tayong 128, and then meron siyang 8 plus 2 GB na RAM. Ayan, of course, Android 15 with Nothing OS 3.5 na rin siya. So, promising 3 years of major updates, which is good. Now, when it comes to camera naman, what's good about this Nothing Phone 3A Lite is mayroon po siyang 50MP main camera. Yes, and then yung secondary is 8MP naman na may ultra-wide feature, then may 2MP for the macro. So, ayan, makikita nyo po dyan yung front camera din yan na may 16 16MP din po siya. Meron po siyang time-lapse, slow motion, panorama, ayan, expert. So, matitimplan nyo kung ano yung gusto nyo. May night mode din siya dito, guys. At ayan yung portrait niya. May yung coverage niya, which is nice. Video naman niya, guys, makakapag-film tayo dito ng 1080p at 30 frames per second. At may option din na 60 frames per second. As you can see, guys, the camera performance of this device is, in fairness, it's nice, it's clear, it's vivid, it's crisp. Whether creating content, the cameras really deliver sharp and versatile results. Ayan, makita niyo naman obviously sa mga sample shots natin. So, hindi pa patalo si Nothing din when it comes to that. Even, ito na yung 3A Lite version nila. And then guys, sa video naman, as you can see, it has a very decent video quality. And ang nagustuhan ko rin dito is yung stability ng video, guys. Ngayon naman is yung battery niya. At least, malaki ba yung battery nito? So yes, meron siyang 5,000 mAh battery din, guys. We've been testing it ng ilang araw na rin. And in fairness, solid. Medyo matagal naman din malowbat etong phone na to. Ganda rin dito, guys, is mabilis din siyang i-charge. 33 watt fast charging na rin siya. So far, guys, experience ko naman dito. Masasabi ko it is built to last through the busy day. And ang maganda pa is it even lets you share power sa other devices as well. So, and the price of this device nga pala sa mga magtatanong is 15,490 pesos po siya. Yes, alam ko medyo pricey pa rin talaga siya sa mga Pilipinong nagtitipid. Pero kung ikaw to naghahanap ng balances of affordability and the premium-like features, well, for me, this device is a strong contender in the mid-range market today. So, nakadepende pa rin yan kung ano talaga yung preference mo. Kapag hinahanap nyo is magandang camera phone, magandang design, magandang battery, magandang screen quality, pwede nyo i-consider yung device na to. Kung nagustuhan mo to, feel free to check this out sa Digital Walker PH, guys. Ayan, ibibigay ko yung link. Ayan, paano na kayo mahirapan. So, anyway, again lang po, that ends our feature video dito sa Nothing Phone 3A Lite. At kung nagustuhan niyo po itong video na to, don't forget to like this video and share this video to your friends as well. At sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe, guys, in my YouTube channel. Again, kung may mga gusto pa kayong i-feature dito sa aking channel, feel free to comment down below, okay? Ayan po, see you again till my next video, guys. And that's it. Bye!